guys, yeah, this is my brand new video on my turn that off, Jason! Sorry guys, my brother's being a dummy and just doing this. Boy! I will slap you! Jeez. But, guess what's in here? Not guns, no Minecraft pickaxe, well, guess what it is. But, not just that, but... Say hi to the camera, Onyx. Say hi. This is my chubby butt, Onyx. Yeah, he got bigger. Ever since the first video I did on my kitty, Onyx has gotten pretty big.
Yeah, because I was cussing on one of the videos.
And fat. He's got big and fat.
Hey, Onyx.
Get out of here. Dang it, JJ. Okay, guys, I'm going to take him out for a second. JJ, get out of here! I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm here, and I'm getting my cat Onyx out. He's...
Come here. She is.
Stop it, Jason!
Oh, dang it.
This is Onyx here. Yeah. He's pretty big.
Wait,
He's trying to escape right now, but... Get out of the camera!
Yeah.
Get! I'm scaring the cat, dang it! Get out of here. I'll poke you in the eye. Don't grab his leg, you dingus! JJ, you're hurting him. You're hurting. Stop giving him a purple nipple. A nipple twister. Stop giving him.
Not a twisted nipple! Twisted nipple!
Get out. Get out, Jason! Get out! You just whacked his butt. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Oh.
Come on, you little bitch. My phone! No!
But yes, guys, this is my buddy Onyx. Say hi to the camera.
I'm out of here. Hey, stop it charging. Then
He does sound like a girl too,
fuck off.
but he is a boy. Onyx is a boy. You see the blue collar here? It stands for boy. And he's...
Woo! Bye-bye, guys. See you tomorrow.
My brother's now going into the box Onyx was in, and now he's trying... Now, Onyx, stay!
Someone close it.
No,
Do it.
because if I close it, I'm sitting on it.
No. Alright, I'm sitting on it.
By the way,
Go
guys, if you
into
do
it.
see, I'm right there behind me. You can see my Wii and also my TV. I'm playing
You're
Minecraft.
gonna sit on it. You're gonna sit on it. No, I'm not. Yes, you are. I'm not.
By the way, guys, this
if
is
he
actually
sits on
Onyx's
it,
favorite.
yo.
Look at him.
Okay, do not sit.
Look at the camera.
Alright.
Look at the camera and say hi.
I know
Go
this.
in.
No, I know this.
Go ahead. Oh my god.
Go ahead.
I'll be right back when I finally get this.
Hello? Hello? Hey, bitch. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Delete that! Delete that!
Okay, I think he said, hi everybody, my name is Onyx, but... Oh my god, stop! No! 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 Okay, I gotta leave it because everybody's trying to nap for my...
Hello?